How to set a wallpaper for Assistive Access on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. And from the Settings page, we scroll down. Then tap on Accessibility. After that, we go down. And in here, tap on Assistive Access. Next, we scroll down. In here, tap on Wallpaper, then tap on Choose Photo. And from your photo library, select a photo that you would like to use. So for example, let's say I want to use this photo right here. It's trying to download from my iCloud. Doesn't work. I'll try another one. So say an error occur while loading this photo. Please try again. I'll probably select another photo. So this one seemed to work. And yeah, so once you have selected a photo, you can tap on the back key. And that's it. If you start your Assistive Access, you should then be able to see the new wallpaper applied to Assistive Access. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.